Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to explain how to get a refund if the price of an item you bought on Amazon drops after your purchase. First, it's important to know that Amazon does not automatically refund price differences if an item becomes cheaper after you buy it. However, there is a workaround you can use. If the item was delivered within the last 7 days and the price drops, you can return it and then buy it again at the lower price. If you're using a computer, start by logging into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, click on Returns and Orders in the top right corner of the page. Find the order you want to return and select it. Then click on Return or Replace Items. Next, choose a reason for the return from the list. Amazon will also ask whether the item is unopened or still sealed in its original packaging. Answer yes or no, then click Continue. After that, choose how you'd like to receive your refund. You can select a refund to your original payment method or to your Amazon balance. Once you've made your choice, click Confirm your return. After completing the return, you can place a new order for the same item at the lower price. If you're using the Amazon app on your phone, open the app and tap on You at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Your Orders and select the order you want to return. Tap Return or Replace Items, choose your reason for returning the item, and tap Continue. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the return. Once the return is processed, you can repurchase the item at the cheaper price. And that's how you can get a refund when there's a price change on Amazon, by returning and rebuying the item. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.